Hi, I'm going to show you a video about a new product we're doing called the Remmers Arte Mundit. And this is a fantastic product used for cleaning, intricate stonework and concrete facades. A lot of contractors are using things like acid rinses and they're using blast cleaning, which can be quite hazardous and quite messy as well. But with this product, what you do, you spray it on and it dries overnight. The next day, you peel it all off, and what it does, it, as I say, it draws the contamination out of the stonework and it is all contained and it can be disposed of safely. Now it's available in 4 different grades of strength, so you can still retain that sort of patina effect if you wish. We are the suppliers for this product. We have a technical department here to back you up on how to use it. And we've also got all the data sheets as well on our website, so you can read through the product as well. So call us today and we'll tell you all about it.